Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Such a delight to see you back on the channel, or if you're visiting for the first time, consider subscribing. Back to our tech series of videos, laptop, flash drive, and today one task to install Windows 10. Let's get started. So jumping right into today's topic, and if resolving such complex tech situations is not your cup of tea, we're always here to help you guys. And actually today we're going to do something that you very often have to do in case you buy a new laptop or probably something wrong happens with your old system and so on, because nowadays laptops tend to very often come without a CD drive. Therefore, the only way to actually deploy a fresh version of Windows is through a USB drive. In any case, investing a few minutes to learn how to create bootable USB media is a good idea, and even better, creating a Windows 10 installation media. Hence, this video is going to teach us exactly how to do that. Before proceeding, maybe a few words. Why is it good to know that? Well, essentially, I've shown you this laptop, and very often your laptops come without a CD drive, because usually CD drives take a lot of space, and if there's a lot of space needed, there's no way to make them so nice and thin. This is where the future belongs to: bootable media, flash drives mostly, and things as simplified as you can get them, because let's face it, DVD drives and CDs are already outdated technology. Before we jump to the first step, here's a short list with everything you may need. First of all, a USB drive. And make sure to have enough space. Like 8 gigs is kind of the sanitary minimum. I would recommend at least 16 or 32 gigabyte USB drive in order to be sure that everything is really gonna fit. Secondly, you need to download the Windows 10 installation media. Then thirdly, you need to format this drive and make sure that it has enough space to acquire these installation files. And last but not least, in order to accomplish all the mentioned steps, yes, you're gonna need an extra PC which is working, because very often if you're about to deploy Windows, your PC is either brand new or not working, and you anyways have no access to its operating system. Starting with the preparation of this body, and we're going to format this drive. If you follow the channel regularly, we've done it so many times, and all you have to do on your working computer, find a free USB slot, plug it in, and let's go to this PC. Then go to the disk management utility and start formatting the drive using the right-click button and selecting the format option. Choose FAT32 file system. To set the partition as active, simply right-click on the USB drive, then select Mark Partition as active. Done. So far so good, step 1 is done. Now we go ahead and we need to copy the Windows installation files in here. So in order to do that, you need to download the whole Windows 10 installation package, and you need to carefully follow the instructions. Now, below in the description of the video, you're going to find a link for downloading Windows 10. And once you have the files on your computer, let's go ahead, run the Windows installation tool, accept the application notices and the licensing terms. When the interface appears, select Create installation media for another PC and click the Next button. Next, we choose the language, the architecture and edition, and if you have to reinstall Windows 10 in the same PC, we can use the recommended options for this PC, otherwise we leave it as it is. Now, we're going to be advised to select media. Click on the USB drive, followed by Next. You're going to need to click on Next once again. Wait for a few minutes for the tool to download all the necessary Windows 10 media installation files, and I don't think there's anything difficult or complicated until now. So let's go ahead. Now, starting with the main point, your flash drive is ready with the files for the installation copied onto it. Now, you take it out of your computer, you plug it into the target device, so that would be the laptop that we are about to install with Windows 10. And here's the tricky part. Depending on the manufacturer of the system board, there would be a quick key that should be the F2, F9, F10, F12, really depends on the vendor of the system board, which is going to give you access to the bootable devices or the boot order. What we want to do is to select this USB drive to be the primary bootable device. And very often, most of these modern UEFI-based system boards, they have the option to let you to do a one-time boot from a USB drive, or sometimes it's configured by default, so you're gonna have to figure this out. After the system has booted, you're gonna see the Windows installation screen, click the next button, then follow the instructions on the coming screen, make sure to reach the Install Now button, and that's going to initiate the Windows 10 installation. Accept the license terms displayed on the screen, and again, you're gonna have to click the next button. We go further, we select the installation type, we decide if we want to upgrade the Windows installation or install a brand new, fresh copy of Windows. Then the PC is going to ask us to select the partition where we want Windows 10 to appear, we choose that, and click again the next button, and then the installation begins. Be patient, it can take a number of minutes, 10, 20, 30, depends on how fast your computer is, and eventually you are going to enjoy your freshly installed copy of Windows 10. You see that? A procedure which is considered to be highly technical and geeky and so on. It's so simple to be executed as long as you follow the right order of operations. You need a flash drive, you need to properly format it, copy the files, make it bootable, and voila! Your freshly installed Windows 10 is awaiting for you to enjoy it. I really hope this video has helped you to recover anything that has crashed, or probably to deploy your first or next Windows 10. And if that's the case, give us the well-deserved like. For any follow-up questions or ideas or comments, there's a section below the video and you can check the description for a bit more information. I'm Michael from the Recoverit team, and it's been such a pleasure to have you around for the last few minutes. I hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!